Hey everyone, my name is Riccardo, and in this video I'm going to walk you through a hot topic in tile, R11 Finish. Arizona Tile carries several R11 tiles, and our new Verrazzo and Fluida series feature a brand new finish called Active R11. If you've ever wondered what R11 really means, or where it should be applied, stick around, we're going to break it all down. R11 is a term used to identify tiles that are more suitable for outdoor areas and wet environments, like patios, pool decks, and commercial walkways. It's based on the German ramp test, where a tile is placed on a ramp, liquids are poured on it, and the ramp is gradually tilted to see at what angle a person starts to slip. An R11 rating means that the tile performed well within an incline that can vary from 19 to 27 degrees. Making it safe for many outdoor and wet applications. When you're looking for a tile with slip resistance, you may have heard of the term DCOF, or dynamic coefficient of friction, which is a common rating in the US used to determine a tile's slip resistance. And you may be searching for a specific number that notates how slip resistant your tile is. But DCOF is specifically designed for indoor testing and doesn't accurately apply to exterior rated tiles. Both in terms of test design and results, the two methods do not cross over accurately and should not be used interchangeably. And R11 doesn't refer to a specific number, it's a range. So two different R11 tiles may feel slightly different to the touch, but both meet the same safety standard. Therefore, as long as your tile selection is rated as R11, you can rest assured that it's an excellent choice for your exterior or wet application project. Traditionally, R11 slip-resistant tiles were made by adding a mineral called corundum to the glaze mix prior to firing. This process creates a texture finish that has a slightly rougher feel to it. But how a tile feels isn't always a perfect indicator of how it performs, especially when wet. The actual performance comes from the glaze and the microstructure on the surface, which creates the needed friction. That brings us to an exciting new innovation, Active R11 Finish. You'll see this in some of our newer tile series like Verrazzo and Fluida. Unlike traditional R11, which uses mineral coating on the surface, Active R11 achieves the same level of slip resistance through special glazes that respond when exposed to moisture. These glazes are designed to become grippier in wet conditions, helping to create the friction needed for outdoor and wet area use, while offering a smoother, more natural feel when dry. It's a different approach to achieving the same performance, just through a more refined production method. And because the surface feels less abrasive, some may find it easier to clean or more comfortable underfoot, depending on the application. At the end of the day, both finishes meet similar safety standards. It really comes down to which aesthetic and tactile experience works best for your project. So, whether you're working with our traditional R11 tiles or new collections like Verrazzo and Fluida featuring Active R11, you can feel confident that you're getting the right solution for safety and performance in wet or outdoor environments. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out our Intro to Tile playlist for more quick videos like this one. And as always, if you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Ciao.